Alright, good afternoon everyone. Just a quick update. I just want to touch base on, first of all, my AusCAD trade. So that has been closed out, break even. If I can find it. Also, I just want to look at the USD yen. It has nosedived. Oh my goodness, let me get the daily up here. There it is. Alright. I actually was watching this. It was late last night just to see how this was going on the daily. And very weak. I think what I will do, I was on the phone though, and I preferably don't really like getting in on the phone, to be honest. Like, I want to get some context on the screen first here on my laptop, and then once I'm aware of everything, and if I'm watching it late at night, I might just take it on the phone. Monthly. Wow. Okay. So what I can see is that was back in 2017. The low was 104. So it does have a little bit of room to go still. This is something that I could potentially enter today. The low of that candle currently was 0596. Let's see what it's doing intraday. It's this week. I want to see what this does. Let's see what this does and leads into 1 p.m. and then I'll wait until the US session, and that just gives more time for more news to come out about test results and how many cases of coronavirus are out, and then you just see how the market reacts during the start of the US session. That first hour, I like to just sit back and see what's going on. Alright, let's just find AusCAD here. And alright, so I got in. It was pretty much just as it was nearing the highs of that candle on the 4 hour. Go to the 4 hours, sorry. There we go. So it was pushing higher. And go to the 1 hour, you can see some context. And it did ramp up, and actually this is incorrect. It was when it was coming back down again. So I actually did move the stop to break even as well. A little bit lower. There it is. Okay, so it actually ramped up a little bit. Just with the market conditions, I did move the stop quicker than I normally would. So it was at like half R when I did move. So it was pretty much the low of that candle. I think it was 86.12. It was even lower than that. So it's the low down here. It was 86, 88.12. Sorry. So that's where I had it. And it moved up a little bit. I think the high was maybe here, 88.90. So I mean, I got in at like 88.60 low, like 61. So it was 30 pips in my favor. It did weaken off a little bit though, and then it took my break-even stop out. Now it's just sort of floating around, and everything is a bit of a mixed bag. Although the yen and gold as well, actually. Gold's looking very tempting for a position very soon, to be honest. If I just check this out now, yeah, see, that's like a breakout. So it's ramped up. I missed that. I did. That was all. Most of that was in the US session. I mean, you get in like there, potentially. What was the high there? 48, and now we're like 76. Oh dear. Again, I'll wait until the US session and we'll just see what it offers. I mean, an entry could potentially be just now in the stop at the low of that candle. That low is 67. So it's struggling along though. Struggling along. Clearing the recent intraday high there. That was 76. Alright. There's just so much uncertainty right now, so that's something I'm definitely on my watch list. Long gold again. And USD yen, like I mentioned, I'm going to wait until the US session. And that's what it's done there. So we might see a little bit of an impromptu rally, maybe. And now I just want to see what the Aussie dollar is doing as well. I do find myself monitoring the Aussie dollar. Euro US dollar, though, continues to march higher. It's, look at that. Quite the run up, actually. So the 4 hour time frame. A little bit of a croaky thread, so I'm going to keep this video short. 1 hour. we'll see. It a lot of the time it's looked like it's run out of steam, but it just hasn't. And I didn't end up taking a short on this at all. I was more just concerned about the US dollar and how it was very mixed and unclear. So if that's the case, I'm not going to jump in. And there was just a lot of irrational movements on the market, so I just let it go. And we'll just see what happens tonight. This will be interesting to see what comes out during the US session, and it just sort of the direction things are going in regards to coronavirus, what Donald Trump's going to do. He might make some announcements. We'll see. I'm sure he will if there's bad news. If there's just a rampant increase in the amount of cases in the US, he probably will do something just to help stem the bleeding on the stock market. And the Aussie dollar, it's just docile. It's just range bound and chopping about, so I'll let that go. So the main watches, guys, gold long. Gold long could be really soon. When I see something like this, it's there's a lot of momentum as well. We'll see on the 15-minute. It might be topping out, and we might see a bit of a range, and we'll go from there. But on the 4-hour, it's want to wait till it closes on the 4-hour as well. All right, guys, that's it for now. So gold potentially long USD yen. We see a bit of a bounce. Could short into that as well. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye for now.